Hey guys, Corey here, Sky's the Limit Car Care. Today we are going to talk about the all-new InnerQD from CARPRO. So I'm going to talk a little bit about some of the attributes of this versus other products, and then I'm also going to do a little demo so you can see how easy it is to use. Where would you use this at as opposed to the CARPRO Inside that you're already familiar with? This would be a lighter cleaner with a little bit of protection in it. Not the type of protection you'd want to depend on for strong UV protection, you know, year-round or anything. Just a very little bit of protection. Really, it's more of a quick detailer with light cleaning attributes. So if you had heavy stains, suntan lotion, stuff like that on your leather, then this would not be the best product for that. Then you'd want to go ahead and use a dedicated interior cleaner from CARPRO. That would be CARPRO Inside, which is a very strong concentrated cleaner. But for your typical just keeping your car in perfect shape, cleaning it up at the car show, or you're keeping it maintained well maintained, like every week you like to wipe it down, something like this is going to keep you in good shape, and you're not going to have to use a strong interior cleaner unless you deposit some type of really difficult substance, or you go to the gym every day that week. Then maybe you want to go ahead and step it up to a stronger cleaner. This is a great quick detailer for the cockpit of your vehicle, all the surfaces in the interior. So, well, just about all the surfaces. I personally wouldn't use it on suede. It's probably safe, but I haven't seen any testing on that yet. So suede maybe not, but almost any surface you can think of on the interior is great. Plastic, finished leather, vinyl, even nav screens. It won't leave streaks on nav screens. Even like chrome accents, brushed aluminum accents. It's just great for all around surfaces in the interior. And we're going to go ahead and move into the demo phase of this. We're going to start out on the nav screen, do the steering wheel, and then we'll move over to the door panel and just show you how we use it on some of these different surfaces. So today I'm going to use the dusting diamond for this, just because I can reach all these areas pretty easily. You can use it with a brush as well, but I like to spray a little on the mitt or the towel if you use a towel. And then we just wipe it right across the surface, as easy as could be. It's really kind of difficult to mess up. So I like to go over it with that side, get it all nice and clean, and then if you want, you'll see there's not even any streaks there, so I really don't even need to follow it up, but it's just kind of habit, because usually you would get a streak from most products. Then I would wipe it with that side if I needed to, but I literally saw no streaks. So for the steering wheel, same thing. I just switch it over to the crazy pile side that has longer fiber, so I can get up into those crevasses. Spray a little more product on there, and just grab that wheel and get all up in there, get in the dials. You can get down in here, reach right down inside the steering column really easily. And you can see it doesn't leave the finish real glossy or anything like that. It's literally just cleaning it and leaving just a very like matte finish. Like there's no real added gloss to that. If you put like a tape line down, then you might be able to see a difference if you used one side or the other, maybe a slight difference, but it's really minimal to none. All right, guys, so we're here at the door panel, and the thing that I love about InnerQD is if there's no heavy cleaning required, then it's literally as easy as just spray and wipe, and that's it. Those fibers can get right in that speaker area real well. You just go over this area, get down in those buttons, and it's that simple. It doesn't leave any streaking behind, so you don't have to like work hard on it trying to make sure that you finish it down right. It's boom, 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 and done. All right, guys, that's it for today. I did want to mention one last thing. I forgot to tell you about the smell. It leaves like a lemon, like a really fresh, kind of slight lemony citrus scent to it. I love that part of it as well. I like how it doesn't bog down the car with some of the kind of heavy scents that a lot of products use. So that's a great attribute as well. That's it for today. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you have any comments or questions, go ahead and drop those below and we'll be happy to answer those right away. And if you're ready to try the product, make sure to click the link and pick it up at Sky's the Limit Car Care. Thanks a lot for your time and have a great day. Take care.